beautiful side of our lasso salmon. This is a farm raised, but it's the best that I can find. So we're going to skin this. What I like to do is start the tail, go down to the skin, turn in, use my thumb and my 2 fingers here. I like this carving knife. Some salmon knives are too skinny, too thin, they get too much flex, but when you're dealing with 7-8 inches of a fillet, you need to be able to control. And then, see this? Tuck it like this. See that? Don't let it get away. Just like the jaws. And then I bring my finger around, lock it, and see I'm doing my finger, pressing it, and doing short strokes, keeping the same angle, about 10 to 20 degrees. And then there you have it.